Red Cat Holdings subsidiary Teal Drones awarded $1 million plus contract from U.S. Border Patrol. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, drone-based product and solution provider Red Cat Holdings announced that U.S. Customs and Border Protection has awarded Red Cat subsidiary Teal Drones a $1,046,806 contract to provide U.S. Border Patrol with Teal's Golden Eagle drones. This new contract is part of a blanket purchase agreement, BPA, between U.S. Customs and Border Protection and 5 drone companies announced last December. The BPA has a total estimated value of $90 million over a 5-year period. All drones included in the agreement are on the Department of Defense's Blue UAS list, denoting drones approved for purchase and operation by the department and related government entities. The Golden Eagle drones will offer additional airborne reconnaissance, surveillance, and tracking abilities to improve situational awareness for field commanders and agents in locations without traditional surveillance systems or available manned air support. As a market leader in military-grade drones, and especially night-specific drones, we look forward to providing Teal's Golden Eagle product to the government personnel who are responsible for protecting the American people and safeguarding our borders, said Red Cat CEO Jeff Thompson. Because Red Cat has invested in a large, new manufacturing facility for Teal in Salt Lake City, we are confident in our ability to meet the delivery deadline for this significant order, as well as future orders we anticipate under this BPA with U.S. Customs and Border Protection. The purchase agreement awarded to Red Cat includes Teal's Golden Eagle drone, alongside battery packs and chargers, propellers, gimbal-mounted cameras, carrying cases, as well as operator training sessions featuring Train the Trainer sessions.